Hello kids, how are you? Are you fine? That's great. Okay, today we are going to learn mathematics with me. Let's start from time. This is clock and I'll tell you how do we tell the time. Okay, on the clock we can see the two hands. The long hand and the short hand. The long hand tells us the minute or show us the minute. And the short hand show us the hour. Okay, now I'll tell you how do we tell the time. When you get or when you see the long hand on 12, we say o'clock. What do we say? O'clock. And when you see the long hand on 6, when you see the long hand on 6, we say half past. We say what? Half past. So to make it simple, before you tell the time, you have to see where the long hand is. Where the long hand is. Okay, now here on the board, where is the long hand? It is on 12, yes? So if it is on 12, it's o'clock. And where is the short hand? The short hand tells us the hour, and the short hand is on 3. So what time is it now? 3 o'clock. What time is it? 3 o'clock. Okay. And when the long hand comes to 6 and when the short hand, it might be anywhere, it might be any of the number, but first see the long hand. So the long hand is now on 6 and the short hand is on 4. What time is it now? Half past 4. What time is it? Half past 4. So when you see the long hand on 6, we say half past. And when you see the long hand on 12, we say o'clock. We say what? O'clock. So I can make it like this. Now the long hand is on 6 and the short hand is on 3. What time is it now? First, we will see the long hand, and if the long hand is on 6, we say half past. So, what time is it? Half past 3. Half past 3. You can move the hands and you can tell the time for your parents, for your friends like this by making simple small watch like me. Okay, now let's go to the next exercise. Okay, we have seen the worksheets for you, and these are the worksheets. As you can see here, there are many clocks here, and first what do? We will see the long hand, where the long hand is and where the short hand is. And then, after you see the long hand, where the long hand is, you will write your answer in the box. Okay, kids? Now we will see how do we measure the things around us using the ruler. Okay, before that, what do we mean by measurement? Measurement means measuring something. It is the act of measuring something using different kinds of measurement instruments. Okay, this is one of measurement instrument. What is this? This is a ruler. Okay, by using this measurement, I can measure my phone, I can measure the duster or the razor, and I can measure my marker. Okay, how do we measure by using the ruler? I will show you now. On the ruler, as you can see, if you have a ruler, you can see your ruler. So, on the ruler, there is centimeter. So, before I measure, I will fix it like this, and I will put 0 centimeter at the top or at the tip of my phone, and then I will see the last one. It is on 14. It is on 14. So my phone measures 14 centimeter. So by using this ruler, you can measure anything around you. Let me measure my marker by using this ruler. I will put 0 here at the tip of my marker, and then I will see the last one here. It is 13. So my ruler measures 13 centimeter of the ruler. Okay, this is all about the measurement. So I will show you here how do you measure the pictures, the given pictures from your worksheet. On your worksheet, on the next page, there are different pictures here. The first one is pencil, and the second one bone, flower, fork, and the bottle. So you can measure the pencil by using this ruler. By using this ruler. And then you will see the last one, and you will write how long is the pencil. That's good. Do it well. Okay, kids, now let's come to this title. Adding the tens and ones and expanding the tens number into two different numbers. Okay, these are the example of ones number. The ones number are the single numbers starting from 0 to 9. We call them ones number. And the tens numbers are this. They are the two-digit number. As you can see here, from 10, 10 is a two-digit number. Here, tens, ones. Tens place, ones place. Tens place, ones place. So it has two-digit number, and we call such kind of numbers, or two-digit numbers, we can call them the tens numbers. Okay, so how do we add the tens with ones numbers, and how do we expand them? How can we expand them? I will show you that now. Okay, we can. What do you see here? This number is 66. What do we call it? 66. So when you call the name of the number 66, first you say 60 and then 6. So I will write that one. 60 is 60, and 6 is the one-digit number. So this one is ones number, and this one is tens number. And what do we call this number? 74. So when you call 74, first you say 70. How do we write 70? 7 and 0. And the next one, 4. Because when you say 74, first we have write 70 here, and the second one 4. Together 74. Now I will show you how do we add this number and how do we get this number back. Okay. Which one is the bigger one? The bigger one is 60. So you have to put 60 in your mind, and then 6 at your finger. And then 60. Then you will count forward. 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. So my answer is right here. And the second one is 74. So we have to take the sum of these two numbers that gets 74. They must give us 74 here. If it is not, that's not right. So let's take it now. Put the bigger number in your mind and then count forward by putting 4 at your finger. 70 in my mind, 4 at my finger. 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. So my answer is right. So I can expand the tens numbers like this, and I can check my answer like this. By this way, that I have shown you before. Okay, now I will show you the worksheet, how do you do it. 66 I have already shown you here, so you can take it as an example. And these are the tens numbers. You will add them by putting the bigger number in your mind and the smaller number at your finger, and you have to write the answer here. And here you will expand like me. You will expand the given tens numbers like me. So you will do it carefully. I hope you'll do it very nice and exercises very well. I hope you will do it. So bye for today. Next week I'll see you. Bye bye.